Hi everyone, if you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to change language on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in the Qwen app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the settings option at the top right corner, just right here. And you can find tools like this, and here you can find there is no any change language option. Now to change language in the Qwen app, you need to go to start a new chat. Just right here, now tap onto the plus sign option in the middle. And to simply change the language, you can change the language from the keyboard. Now tap onto the globe-like option on the keyboard just right here. And now you can see the language has been changed. Now simply write whatever you want to ask and you can simply send it. And this is the only way that you can change the language in the Qwen app. And that's it. This is how you can change language in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.